Should I start? Come on, bro. Oh, hello guys, my name is Faisal. Welcome to Boost Club the Surf Car, and today I bought you this beautiful car. It's a BMW E46 with a Toyota engine in it. I'm not going to tell you about the engine right now, but next video you're gonna see the engine and the few upgrades we've done to it. Yeah, we know we have to change the L lights, the grill, of course, the windscreen, and get it a little bit cleaned. That's it for now. So basically, we're going to participate on Tanzania TT next month. The car will be ready by then. Hoping to see you guys there. Peace. That's it.